Hello students, in this video we will complete the question answer of this chapter first, the modern world. Okay, come to the exercise. Okay, first we have to complete the fill in the blanks. Okay. Fill in the blanks first. Sources of information on the modern history are usually categorized into primary and secondary sources. Second, the word Renaissance means rebirth. An important event that sparked Renaissance was the fall of the city of Constantinople. Okay. Fourth, Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press in Germany. There will be Johannes Gutenberg. Now fifth, the Protestant Reformation movement was spearheaded by Martin Luther. Okay. Now come match the following columns. One side people, another side inventors. Okay. Bartholomew Dias sailed around Africa for the first time. Martin Luther 95 theses. Henry VIII established Church of England. Vasco da Gama discovered India. Michelangelo Renaissance painter. Okay. Now choose the correct answer. Who discovered the American mainland? Here will be Christopher Columbus. When did the modern period start in Indian history? There will be 18th century. Which of the following is a primary source of information? There will be archaeological remains. When did Bartholomew Dias reach the tip of South Africa? 1488. Okay. What is the Reformation also called? Here you have to write Protestant movement. Now answer the following questions in a brief. Short answer you have to write. What are transitional periods? Okay. This is in page number 1. Come to the page number 1. Okay, page number 1. Heading is period of transition. Okay, you have to write the progression of time from one period to another in history is called transition or transitional period, till the transitional period. Okay. Now question number 2. How are the sources of information on the modern age categorized? This is in page number 8. Okay. Okay, here is written sources of information are categorized into two, like primary sources, direct accounts like official records and artifacts, and secondary sources, recorded accounts like reports and articles. Now question number 3. Define the term Renaissance. Okay, page number 2. Okay, page number 2. Page number 2, there is the period of great revival and regeneration in Europe is known as a Renaissance. It is a French word that means rebirth. That means rebirth. Okay. Now come to the next question. Okay, question number 4. How did the fall of Constantinople fuel the Renaissance movement? This is in page number 2. Okay, page number 2. Okay, heading is the Renaissance. From the third paragraph you have to write the capture of Constantinople, the capital of Byzantine Empire, by the Ottoman Turks in 1453 was a major development that fueled the spirit of Renaissance. Constantinople was the center of learning of the Roman Empire. It had numerous Greek scholars and intellects teaching Greco-Roman classics, invoking rational thinking. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Why did people of Europe undertake voyage of discovery? This is in page number 3. Page number 3, voyage of discovery heading is there. Okay. The new found mindset of inquiry encouraged a spirit of adventure among the people, which prompted them to undertake voyage of discovery through exploring the oceans and discovering the unknown lands. Till the unknown lands you have to write. If you want to add, you are free to add. Okay, just I am giving one idea. Now come to the question number E. Exercise number E first. What were the main factors that led to the Renaissance in Europe? Okay, from here you have to write. The Reformation or Protestant movement refers to a movement that started in Europe with the aim of reformation. The Roman Catholic Church, it started in Germany and rapidly spread across Europe. It was a reaction against the increasing abuse and corruption in the Catholic Church. This much you have to write for the question number E first. Okay. Now question number 2. Give an account of some important discoveries made by various explorers. This is in page number 8. Okay. From the concept map you have to write. Okay. Voyage of discovery heading is there. You have to write. 1488 Bartholomew Dias sailed around the Africa. Second point you have to write. 1498 Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in India. 1492 Columbus discovered the Bahamas in Americas, and 1518 to 1519 there is Hernandez Cortes landed at the Yucatan Peninsula of Central America, and 1500 Cabral discovered Brazil. Okay, any points you have to write? Any 4 points you have to write? Now next question. What were the main causes for the Renaissance movement? Page number 8. Okay, page number 8 from the concept map Reformation. Okay, you have to write. Rampant corruption and the moral degradation in Catholic Church, spirit of Renaissance, writing of early reformers, rise of strong rulers who wanted to break away from church. This much you have to write. Okay. Now next. Describe the role of Martin Luther in the Reformation movement. This is also in page number 5. You have to write about the Martin Luther. Page number 5. Okay, here. Role of Martin Luther. Martin Luther, a German monk, was instrumental in bringing about the Reformation movement. Luther raised objection regarding several practices of the Catholic Church and the supremacy of the Pope. He was particularly shocked by the sale of indulgences. Next, we have to write in the same answer. Luther wrote his 95 Theses and pinned it on the door of the local church. He indicated the church for its corruption, attacked the rituals and indulgences that had no scarcity in the Bible, and asked his followers to believe in God without relying on the church. Okay. Luther advocated the salvation could be achieved by faith alone. Thus, for Luther, the Bible was the only source of truth and final authority rather than the church. This much you have to write. Now, next, that is the last question, I think. Okay. What were the main impact of the Reformation movement on Europe? This is in page number 7. What were the impact? Okay. Impact of Reformation heading is there. You have to write. The church is split into two factions, Catholicism and Protestantism. There was a religious turmoil in many states, which often led to wars within the states as well as between them. Next, you have to write. The Reformation also eventually led to evolution of nation states as several states broke free from the control of the Catholic Church. This much you have to write. And picture study you have to do to yourself. Okay.